Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. I am also fine. Today, right now I have completed my dinner, and after having my dinner, I started my making videos to practice speaking. And right now I would like to say something because I am just beginner right now. I am try to practice every day, and I made a lots of mistakes. So you can comment about my speaking and how can I improve more. I know that lots of people have in our audience, they are very good in English. So they can comment in my YouTube, and I know lots of things what my mistakes I did. So every day it's very necessary for me, and right now day by day it's making me habit to make videos. I think it's very good for me that I am making habit for making videos every day. And my some friends, they always inspired me to practice speaking, and also they, they told me to every day you have to practice and make videos and upload your YouTube channel and face. So I'm also feel very much happy to every day can make videos. Okay. And lots of people, they're always making videos. They also want to improve their speaking by making videos. They travel lots of place and explain the natural beauties. So I also want to make videos to going to outside, and so um, it helped me more to improve my speaking. Okay. And lots of teachers, they always suggest to everyone to make videos to reduce your lack and also improve your speaking. Okay, you can also practice every day.